I chose food because I felt as if cooking was a really good outlet for like being as creative as possible, and it's a really good life skill for later on in life. Even if I don't go into a food-based job, just learning how to cook will help me through my life.
I chose cooking because it gives me the building blocks to help me develop to go to patisserie school when I'm older, and it gives you a really good foundation.
Hi, I'm Ollie, and I chose GCSE food because it allows me to be creative and develop some practical skills which I enjoy, and it will also help me in my future. Also, I am interested in a career in food and nutrition, such as a nutritionist, and this course helps me to prepare.
The reason I chose DT food was because I previously enjoyed cooking and wanted to improve my skills. I also chose DT because of the element of coursework, so it's not all down to final exam at the end of year 11. I really enjoy food due to it being practical throughout.
I'm really enjoying the subject because it's really interesting. It's not easy because there's a lot of work that goes into it, but it's enjoyable.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it too because it's not all just writing stuff. You get to make things for most lessons as well.
I chose DT for GCSE because it looked more like fun than the rest, and also like I preferred not having as much of an academic subject as like English, maths and science.
Yeah, I just like making things really. I've made things most.
I did textiles A-level. I did it initially because I love to sew, but then I ended up realising there's a lot involved in the science behind how fibres are made, what they're made of, and how they're made into textiles. So I did a materials science and engineering degree afterwards. This was about all the materials around us, so metals in infrastructure, in transport, corrosion, polymers in packaging, biomaterials, so this is implants, medication, and also textiles, so clothing, but also protective wear, textiles in buildings, etc. I am now doing a PhD, so I am researching how to improve the sustainability of fibres, mimicking what we see in nature, working on the chemistry and chemical engineering and materials engineering side of things. I'm in a lab most days, working on the chemistry of the polymer that we're using, but also building equipment in order to make the solution into fibres. I am part of a materials for healthcare research group, so this will be something that might have a medical application like heart valve replacements or wound dressings or vocal cord replacements or ligament reconstruction. I'm also funded to go to Australia for 1.5 years to research, so I will live there and continue some research there. And I'm hoping after this to go on to doing research for a company to try to improve their sustainability or improve sustainability of materials in healthcare, or improve the functionality, improve what they can do, improve how we can make the most of the materials around us.
Hi, my name is Miss Eaglefield and I am a design and technology teacher at De Ferrers. Now, some of you might not know that I am actually an ex-student of the De Ferrers Academy, and I took design and technology at GCSE, specifically textiles, which led me on to A-level, specifically taking product design. Now, I took these subjects initially because I was really interested in them. I thought they were really fun. And I'm quite a creative person, so I wanted to do a subject that was really practical. Now, I didn't realise what this could lead me on to, so I went off to university, did my teacher training at Ferrers, and it can lead you on to many different careers, if whether you want to go into fashion, graphic design, if you want to be a chef, but there is so many other different careers, so it's really, really worth checking out what we have to offer.
Hi everyone, my name is Amy and I currently work here at the DeFerris Academy as a digital marketing apprentice. So I decided to take graphic design at GCSE and it was hands down one of my favourite subjects. Graphic design for me was a perfect course for someone who is interested in taking their graphic design knowledge a step further from the shorter modules, like the taster modules you get to do in year 9. I remember always looking forward to my DT lessons and it definitely helped me to get the job I do now. So the job I do now involves designing social media posts, posters, videos, certificates, business cards, basically a whole wide variety of things. And because it is quite broad, the process of how I approach any task reflects on the process I used when I was doing my GCSE work and coursework for graphic design. Taking any DT at GCSE will help to build your creativity and imagination. You will have fun and you will learn a wide range of transferable skills which you can apply to whatever you decide to do next.